Fixing leaks often involves a lot of time, effort, and worst of all, mess. Even small jobs like a leaking gutter or a leaking chimney can be a massive job that you'll never ever want to do again. But let me show you how easy it can actually be. I'm going to be using Rust-Oleum's Leak Seal. It's a spray-on, flexible rubber sealer that can fill cracks up to 6 mm and instantly stop leaks. The first thing I need to do is clean up the joints and make sure there's no debris. Now to clean up this area, I'm going to be using a pressure cleaner. They're perfect for jobs like this and for many other applications. Okay, the gutters are clean, just leave that to dry and then we can start spraying up those joints. Now all I need to do is spray on 2 coats over the joints with 30 minutes drying time between coats. And it's done. For areas like this chimney, I'm just going to give it a good clean with a wire brush and then mask it up so we don't get any overspray. There we go, and remember, once it's cured, you can paint over it, so you can use it anywhere. Quick, easy, and neat. No mess and no fuss. And remember, everything I used is available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. For more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.